So a square here, make sure it's nice and square. Put our level. As you see here. Guys, I don't know if it's just me or if most of you guys is going through the same thing. This foundation is way out of level. This one here, man, down here is like 3 inches worth of mortar. As you see here, guys, I line up my first post. I like to run my level right around the entire perimeter before I build my lead. So now I'm just going to build a lead. You can also put up a post at the end there and just run your line from the post. In this case, I'm just going to build a lead, step back, and then I just fill in the middle section here. Okay guys, so we're building our lead now. Perfect. Just a little small here. They're done that every. Here's your regular one. Put your level across, guys. Make sure we're nice and plumb, nice and level. That way we know we're plumb. Check for level here. Check for level this way again. So guys, as you see here, I put my rebar. I dwell it inside of the wall there. This is the last course I have here for this corner. Fine. Nice and plumb, guys. As you see here, we're 100% plumb. So for this side, we're plumb and we're level. So here, we need to be 100% straight in line. Now we need to put the small pieces over here. Okay, so we'll build a lead over there, guys. We're just filling it over this side now. Now, as I said, we're gonna dwell. Every 2 courses we're gonna put our rebar. So we put in one right here now. Pick up my model like this, and I shake. Again. Same. Okay, so for the corner we need to find a face block. Face block is one where you have here is smooth and here you have a kind of niche in there. Just gonna slowly put him in place. Make sure you eat a lot of food, guys, before you come out here to lay these blocks. They're not a lightweight box. Super heavy. It's 35 pounds. So now I'm just building my lead now. Leg it across. Nice. Plumb over here as well. Beautiful. So if you get involved from this video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let's keep going. Remove. This one in place. Perfect. I don't even need to bang it. It's already in place. Beautiful. So let's put our plumb. Beautiful. Beautiful, my friend. Really trying to stop us today. But thank God, God is here with us. Even though He's the one who followed. We're gonna dwell some rebar right here now. I'm gonna put 2 rebar right across like this out. Beautiful. Beautiful, God. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? It's very important to plumb each block as you go up. That way you don't have a lot of issue moving around your block or banging it too much. I try to fit the bottom first, and then I work my way up to the top. Beautiful. taste of it. Just like so. Be straightforward, huh? Let's put our level. See where we stay, where we at for leveling. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Let's check for plumb. Oh, right on. Right on. Good for Canada. We're gonna go for lunch now. Be back in a few minutes. Okay guys, so this is where we're at now. See, we just have to fill. This is where we're at for here. Our vertical rebar running right along there. Just have a few more courses here and then we're out. Okay, let's keep going. Ha! We're almost there, huh? We're almost there, guys. How many courses we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 courses. Let's get this thing finished today and start something new tomorrow. Okay, come. Let's take this motor over. Ah! That's it. Boom, bang, bang. Let's make it high. Fold him over like this. Push him inside like that. I know you're saying, why is that taking you so long, Ryan? You can do better. Right. He's so strong, he's using one hand to lift these blocks. And they're so heavy.
Then you gotta go 3 feet, put 2 more blocks.
Okay, finish that one. Let's do another one. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Your boy Ryan is getting there. Don't care more than we want, you know. because that's maybe the rain and everything. So guys, this is my last coat here for this one. Then we're gonna do some jointing. Look at this. Beautiful. 100% level. So guys, earlier I used my laser level to catch the level for the first course, but because of the rain, you guys didn't see that. So I just want to put that out there. Now we're just doing a bit of jointing now. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.